हाँ. Hello, Namaskar. Good morning, students. Today we are here again to know more about English. Good morning, all of you. Good morning. Hope you will enjoy the song. Enjoy this. Yes.
Wiggle your fingers, blink your eyes. Wiggle your fingers, blink, blink, blink. Move your hands side to side. Move your hands side to side. Shake your hands, 1, 2, 3. Shake your hands, shake with me. Come on and shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake. Shake, 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 shake. Touch your ears, touch your nose. Touch your mouth and your chin below. Move your head all around. Move your head all around. Shake your hands, 1, 2, 3. Shake your hands, shake with me. Come on and shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Pat your knees, pat, pat, pat. Pat your knees, pat, pat, pat. Move your shoulders up and down. Move your shoulders up and down. Shake your hands, 1, 2, 3. Shake your hands, shake with me. Come on and shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Clap your hands, clap, clap, clap. Clap your hands, clap, clap, clap. Move your feet back and forth. Move your feet back and forth. Now shake your hands, 1, 2, 3. Shake your hands, shake with me. Come on and shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake your hands, 1, 2, 3. Shake your hands, shake with me. Come on and shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake.
Okay, good. Children, did you enjoy the song?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What did you enjoy in the song? What did you like in the song?
I like action and noun.
Very nice.
I like rhythm. And
Rhythm.
part of body.
Yes, very nice.
Song. And teach
Yes.
small children.
Yes, very nice. We are still children. You are still children. Don't grow fast, okay? Because otherwise we see that many students of our class 5, 6, 7, they are suddenly grown up. So don't grow up. Be student, be children, enjoy the life, okay? Enjoy your childhood. And even though you are grown up, enjoy the small things, okay? So like child, enjoy. Now there were some verbs along with some nouns. Can you share some verbs?
Teacher verbs is blink, shake,
Okay.
Put touch, shoulder up and down.
Yes.
Clap, move.
Huh? And for eyes, what was very nice?
Blink your eyes.
Yes,
Blink
blink,
your
blink.
eyes.
And for knees, what was there? This is yeah, very nice, very nice. So here it is not just a song for kids, but when you are learning a foreign language, you must learn the music, learn small things, small sentences of like we use in daily English. So that is our functional English. So watch small songs, stories, enjoy it as well as learn more English. It is the easiest way to learn any language. Okay. So now, do you know what's our topic today?
Our body parts. Is parts of body, human, animal, and plant.
Yes, good. One at a time. And when one finish speaking, then only other can talk. Okay? Other can speak.
Okay,
Now let us start our video. I'm sharing my screen now. Okay. Can you see this?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Screen is not shared.
Okay. Good. Yes. No. Can you see now?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay. Good. Now see. Parts of the body. Okay. Tell me the animals you can see in the screen.
Elephant, lion, fish, bird,
Cow, plant,
insect,
Insect. Yes. Do you know the name of these insects?
human.
No, insect in the right corner, small one below the tree.
No, ma'am.
Ladybug. It is a ladybug. Now, I am going to show you parts of the body of all these, but not this ladybug. So your task is that as well as your homework. After this lesson, this small insect you are going to find out on Google and you are going to find out the parts of this small insect of like ladybug. Now, just one, hello, just one question. Do you remember? Hello, do you remember? Hello. Do you remember any idiom? What happened?
Teacher, as
Sir,
your mic is as insect. As small as insect.
As
Small.
small.
Insect.
Okay, what about our last lesson? Check who is there.
piece of cake.
As smart, as big as elephant.
Animals. Lion, do you remember any idiom for lion? Or that ox, means bull?
Smart lion.
No.
As,
No. Not
as
smart.
big as a lion.
As strong as a lion or a lion's share.
As a lion.
Strong.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Or as strong as a bull
as
also.
an elephant.
And for fish?
As cute small fish.
As small.
No. As brave as a lion, as strong as an ox. And for fish?
Teacher, for bird is as colorful as a bird.
No, as free as a bird. My God, you are not learning. You are not doing your homework. Watch last time's video again. Okay, we'll move next.
As small as a fish.
No, find out. Next. Okay, now see. This is human. Okay, this is a small boy.
Human body.
Human body. Yes, very nice. So this is our human body. Now you can see the parts of body. I just want one. Wait. Who is reading now?
Sanjeevni.
Sanjeevni, you will wait. Sanjeevni, you will read the left side, and Ishika will read right side. Okay, Sanjeevni, go ahead. Only left side.
Hair, eyes, nose, shoulder, elbow, arm, finger, leg, foot.
Very nice. Okay, Ishika. Forehead. Isha. Okay, Isha.
Forehead, ear, tooth, mouth, neck, chest, stomach, hand, knee, ankle.
Okay. Now see, is there anything new for you? Is there anything new, like
Yes,
new
ma'am.
word?
There is a new
Which one was?
Ankle.
Ankle. Okay, ankle. Ankle, that is part you can see from outside. It is near your heel. Okay. When you sit like this, you can say it touches the ground and sometimes it becomes harder. Okay. So that is your ankle. आपण त्याला मराठीमध्ये काय म्हणतो माहितीये? घोटा.
Gotha.
Okay. What else? Which is new word for you?
Ankle.
Ankle, I told you just. Huh? Tell me the new word for you. Otherwise, you know many things. Huh?
I know. We know, ma'am.
Stomach. When you see, when you eat, your stomach is full. That is your stomach where your food goes. See, that is the, yes, that is middle part of our body. That is stomach. And upper part of it, that is chest. Neck, you know, that joins your head and the trunk, means the part of your body below neck and above your neck, that is head and tongue. This is whole body part is called trunk. Okay. Now you know many things. Forehead means this. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So just above your eyebrows, the part that is called forehead.
Forehead.
Okay. Yes. Good. Now next. Here we are going into details. Just your face. Okay. Now see, many parts are there, like hairline. You know, hairline. Now again here forehead is here. Okay.
Yes,
One more thing, that is eyebrows. You know.
Yes, ma'am. I know.
Here is one. See, what is it? Temple means this is, you have both the sides like this here between your forehead and your earlobe. So this part is called temple. आपण म्हणतो ना असं कनपट्टीवर ठेवली ते कनपट्टी ते हेड. Temple. And these bones are cheekbones. High. You can feel here. Your cheeks are there, soft, and above that, when you touch here, that is cheekbone, you can see. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, ear, you know, and earlobe. This is new again for you. Earlobe. Okay. So earlobe is this where you wear your earrings. Okay. Pinnacle or earlobe. This part. Now see mole. What mole is there? मराठी मध्ये आपण म्हणतो ना की कोणाकोणाला मस येतात ना छोटे छोटे, म्हणजे मग ते मोल तुम्हाला कुठे पण फक्त चेहऱ्यावर नाही, कुठे पण येतात तिळ वगैरे. सो दॅट पार्ट इज कॉल्ड मोल. आता डिम्पल, यू नो व्हेरी वेल. डिम्पल.
Yes, teacher.
येस.
Yes.
थळी आपण त्याला मराठीमध्ये म्हणतो. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज जॉ. You have jaw, like this is lower jaw line and upper jaw line. Okay. So jaw line means all your part of this, like your mouth also and your teeth also. Both includes your jaw line. Now, chin. You know this part is called chin. And you heard in the poem below chin. Below chin, chin. Lips, you know, nostrils. Now see, nose and nostrils. See, nose is this hole.
Mouth and nostrils between is mouth and nose between is nostril.
Nice. These two holes we can see where we use it to breathe in and breathe out. This is called nostril. We use this to smell also. Okay. So these are nostrils. We have two nostrils. And then this is freckles. Freckles means again we can see very few here because this is we can see when sunburn is there. Okay. When sunburn is there and your skin is very sensitive, so whatever pigmentation causes here, small spot, that is called freckles. माहिती ना, कोणाकोणाला सनबर्न होतं म्हणजे स्किन काळी होते उन्हाने, आणि मग जी काळी होते ना मध्ये मध्ये डॉट डॉट येतात, ते फॉरेनर्सला जास्त दिसतात आपल्यापेक्षा, आपल्याकडे फार कमी असतात. दॅट इज कॉल्ड फ्रिकल. यू नो आय अँड यू नो आयलॅशेस. व्हॉट इज आयलॅशेस? द हेअर on your eyelid. Okay, that is eyelashes. Good. So you know all, but means all parts of your face. Who is going to read all these?
Ma'am,
Now I want a new one.
Sanjeevani.
Sanjeevani read. Isha read. Who left now?
Teacher,
Please, ma'am.
What's your name?
Sanjeevani.
Sanjeevani. No, Sanjeevani, you did. Who else is there?
Isha,
Sanjeevani, and who else?
Divya.
Prathamesh is there?
Shreyash.
Shreyash. Okay, Shreyash, read. Go ahead. Read.
Hairline, eyebrow, temple, cheekbone,
earlobe,
mole, dimple, jaw, chin,
good,
lips,
good,
nostril, nose,
freckles,
eyes, eyelashes, forehead.
Very nice, very good. Next, see here, a big animal you can see in the picture.
this is
Now, Sanjeevani, now
Yes,
you tell me about this. Okay, tell me about this animal and read its parts of body. Okay.
This is elephant.
Yes, this is an elephant.
This is an elephant.
Yes, go ahead.
And he have one trunk.
Has.
He has one trunk.
Yes,
He
very
is
good.
very big. He is very big. His color is black and brown.
Okay, very good. Next.
His
Tell me about
his ear is very, very big.
very nice. Okay,
He has tusks.
very good. How many tusks?
2 tusks.
Okay, and what tusk is? What tusk is? Teeth. Very good. Tusk means a teeth, that is big, long teeth of some animals, and it can be seen when their mouth is closed. They are like out of their mouth, and this is for their health.
He
to
have
protect
4
them.
legs. He have 4
Has.
legs.
Has.
He had 4 legs.
Very nice.
That
And what
that
is
name is front leg and side leg.
okay, and about tail? About tail?
He has 1 tail.
And how it is?
One trunk.
How it is? How it is?
Backside.
No. Yes, very nice. Tail is the part of body at the end of back, and you can say that it is your extended backbone also. Okay, so that is the last part of your body and means from backside. Now see, how long is the tail? You can see the animal elephant is very big, and it is that long.
His hind leg knee.
Wait. Tail is long or short?
Short.
Ah, yes. He has a short tail. Now tell me, what are these two legs called? These two legs
Front
called
leg.
front leg, and these two legs
Hind.
hind. So
Hind leg.
hind means back,
Back.
and front means fore. Okay. So the front part of your body, front leg or four legs, and which are at the back, that is called hind legs. Okay. So two front legs or two fore legs and two hind legs. Okay, move next. Very nice. Now Sanjini will tell me about this. Sanjini, what is this?
Ma'am.
Ox. Ox or bullock? Okay. Tell me.
Bullock is big. He has two horns.
Very nice. Two horns. Very nice. Yes.
He
has a jaw.
He has jaw. His color is black and brown.
Brown we can see here only.
Also, teacher.
She will tell. Okay. Next, then you can tell whatever is remained. Okay. Let her finish now. Okay. Go ahead. What is this? What is this? This and this. Hoof. When one is there, hoof. Okay. Hoof, that is a part like we have nails, and it is harder part. Okay. The same part that is grown, and that is the last part of their leg. Okay. You can see their leg is ending here, and at the end of their legs, it has part like that, something hard part. Okay, so that hard part, that is to protect their paw, that is to protect their, see, when you just lift it up and you can see it is soft here, and when they walk on the road in jungle, they can face many things. Means like when they are walking, we wear shoes, we wear chappals, but they don't have. So to protect their legs, that is for their protection, that is called hoof. It is like hard like bones, and one is hoof, and four hooves. Four legs, four hooves. त्याला मराठीत तुम्ही शब्द सांगू शकाल का? बरं मराठीत काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला?
कशाला टीचर?
ह्याला हूफला, हूफ आणि हूज. हूफ म्हणजे आठवा. And most of the cattle animals, they have this. All cattle animals like ox, bullocks, cow, buffalo. Khur. Very good. Khur. So if it is single, it is hoof. Watch it. It ends with F. And when it is more than one, it is called hoof. And this is also a strong animal. Now this is lion. Yes. Okay. Now who will tell me about this? And while telling, describe this body parts. Okay. Go on. Who is going to tell?
Isha. And he has mane and paw.
Paw. That is one paw. And if it is four, then four paws. Yes. Okay. One paw. Paw means like we have palm. See, this is our palm. That is their palm. That is paw. Now see, this is lion. Okay. This is the king of jungle. Brave animal, very strong animal. See, brave and strong animal. Now whiskers means what? They have some hair. Okay. See. Okay, hair. So they have hair on their face or nostrils or this face. So some animals they have
जेव्हा
hair.
लायन रागावतो तेव्हा त्याची केस उभी राहतात.
हा, व्हेरी गुड. कधी बघितलं रे रागवलेला म्हणजे जंगलात जाऊन बघितला? मूवी मध्ये. ओके, व्हेरी गुड. So these hair called whiskers. These hair, okay, hair called whiskers. And mane means this is also hair. See, this is also hair, but whiskers. This is also hair, but this is, you can see on neck. So hair grown on the neck, that is called mane. Okay, and horse also has mane, huh? Horse also has.
Yes,
now paw. This part of body means the last part of the leg, that is called paw, and it has 4 paws. Okay.
And teacher, there is a small nails.
Yes, that is nails, small nails, and not like us. Okay, it is very keen, very sharp. Okay, and that is also part of claw. Next. Okay, what is it?
Bird.
It is a bird.
Bird. Now describe this with their body parts. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
He has one
Bill.
very colorful.
Feather.
And how big is long?
He has many small feathers.
Teacher, long
Okay.
and also.
And how are they? Feathers are?
Feathers are colorful.
Very nice. Colorful. Very good. Okay.
He has claws,
And wings and tail.
Yes.
And
Yes.
the bird's tail is very small.
Very long.
Okay, very nice. And this is a seabird, okay? And so seabird, they have to catch fish and they have to jump into the water and they catch. So
Backbill, father, wing, claws, style.
One. Wait a minute. Now, okay, wait. Just put your mic off. Hello.
Big.
Teacher, you are making mute.
Muted me. Okay. Now see, I asked you to mute and unmute. Now 3-4 students were speaking at a time. Now see, somebody told me nakha म्हणाले ना कोणतरी. So here you can see a word for that. And what is it? Like our nails. What is it? What is it? Claws. Yes. So they have claw to clutch, to grip. Okay. So they just hold very tight their prey. Prey means त्यांचं खाणं. And so it never can get escape. मग त्यांच्या तावडीतल्या पंजामध्ये एखादं काही आलं ना तर ते अजिबात सुटत नाही. So it has very powerful claws. Okay. And it has sharp nails also. That is, claws means nails. And it is really very sharp. Now you can see a bird is small, yet it is very beautiful, colorful feathers. Here you can see many feathers, and this part is called wing. So wing, it means it is a big part or a big limb.
Wing helps to fly in the sky.
Very nice, very nice, very nice. So they use their wings to fly. So it is their limb. म्हणजे जसे आपले हात असतात ना तसे त्यांचे ते पंख असतात. ओके, व्हेरी नाईस. यू आर रिअली व्हेरी ब्रिलियंट स्टुडंट. कॅन वी मूव्ह नेक्स्ट? अरे आता ह्याला काय झालं? मूव्ह होत नाही. हा, दाबली. कर्सर नाही होते. काय झालं? अडकली. हा, ओके. नाउ सी, दिस इज फेवरेट फिश. ओके. And
fish live in a water.
okay.
A small eyes.
Huh,
And
yes.
fish
Has a
breathes
small
with hair. Man fish breathes with help
Wait,
Fish
of
have
one
fins.
fins. Okay, huh.
Fins.
Mm-hmm.
Fins.
and man fish has
Fish breathe out in gills.
Very nice,
Little
very
fish.
nice, very nice.
fish help.
Okay. Now, huh? Okay.
Can we eat also fish?
Very good. Me too. Madam, काय झालं? रेखा madam?
कॅमेरा चालू करा कॅमेरा.
We meet fish.
Very nice. Now see here. See, this is a sea animal or water animal. You can find this in water. If you keep it out of water or take it out of water, it will die. Now see,
Yes,
when it is in water, it use its gill. See, gill to breathe in and breathe out.
Breathe
Somebody
out.
said that was really very nice. And what these gills do?
Fish help to
They
breathe in and breathe out.
so you know that in water there is oxygen. So in water, they are in the water all the time. So they also need oxygen like us. So they extract, absorb the oxygen which is in the water. And this they do with the help of these gills. Now tell me how many gills they have?
Two.
Two
Ma'am,
gills. Yes, on
two
either
gills.
side they have two gills. Now,
And they have two eyes also.
One left
yes,
side,
very
one
good.
right side.
Very nice. One on this side, left and right. Now you can see this part. This is an outer part. Okay. So every outer, this thin outer part, that is called fins. Okay. So this is also fin. 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 Now, for what purpose they have fins? Can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Swim in the water.
Swim in the
Very nice, very nice. You are brilliant. So they use these fins to move their body, to swim, to direct their body where to go. So they use these fins. आपण जसं नाव वल्लवायला ते वापरतो ना वल्ले, तसं त्यांचा उपयोग त्या फिन्सचा होतो. And here on their skin you can see some small hard parts are there. Okay, so that is called scales. And every sea animal has this part because they have to protect their skin. Their skin is very delicate, soft. So they need to protect it. And so the scales are there. Yes. आपण त्याला मराठीमध्ये काय म्हणतो? सांगेल?
कल्ले
खवले खवले. खवले म्हणतो. कल्ले नाही म्हणत. कल्ले ह्याला गिल्ला म्हणतो आपण. गिल आहे ना? ह्याला कल्ले म्हणतो आपण. आणि ह्याला आपण खवले म्हणतो. आपण ते काढून ठेवतो बघा. तुम्ही तसे फिश खात नाही ना तर आपल्याला जेवण जाणार नाही. सगळं तोंडात चरचर होईल. ओके, नेक्स्ट. Now here.
plants.
Now who will describe this?
Isha.
Wait. No.
Divya.
Disha. Okay, Disha.
Divya. Leaf. Fruit. Flower. Stem. Root.
Stem. Now describe like this is a plant. Like earlier they described this is a plant. You can see which plant is this?
Tomato plant.
Tomato. So describe like that. It has leaf. Now leaf, one single that is leaf.
Many leaves.
Many
Leaves.
Very nice. Leaves. Okay.
One is leaf and many is leaf.
Many leaves. Okay. Then next fruit.
Mom, congratulations.
Tomato.
Okay. And tomato is the fruit. See, before fruit, you have to see if you observe any plant or any trees, there are always buds and then flowers and then fruits. Okay. So see here, birds are there. This is small bird. This is little grown up bird. And then it is a flower. Here you can see flowers also. Flowers are different as per the plants. Okay. And when these flowers are fully grown, and then after this means where the flowers are, there you can see some small fruits. And then when the fruits are grown up, they are big. This is small. This is fully grown. And these are the fruits. And now if you cut the fruit, what will you see here?
Seeds and flesh.
Flesh and seed. So what is flesh? Flesh means this pulpy part.
Outside, outside.
No. In inner part. Okay. Inner part. Which is fleshy means pulpy part. Okay. Pulpy part, that is called flesh. And this small part, this is
that
called...
is very sticky part.
Ah, yes, yes. Little. And juicy also. See, this part is juicy also. This part is juicy also. Okay. So this is a pulp. That means tissue. These tissues are called flesh. And then, see, this is the part from this. This is like earth. Okay, soil. And this is upper part. You can call it as a stem. Or you can say trunk of a plant. Trunk, like our trunk. Okay. So this part which you can see on the ground, that is called stem. Stem.
Ma'am,
Can you see?
to stand straight.
And can you see their roots?
Yes, ma'am.
No, here you can see. Here you can see. But can you see roots of some trees? Some trees you can see, some trees you can't see, because this is underground, below ground. See, this is the ground. I said this is soil. This is ground. Mati hai nahi. Okay, zameen. So this is the part which is below, which is underground, but which helps the plant to hold. And again, it absorbs water and some nutrients from the ground, and it provides whatever they are absorbing to this plant. And so the plant grows. So this part is also very much important. And it is said that
मातीला घट्ट पकडून ठेवतात. त्यामुळे झाड उभे राहते नीट.
Very good. So roots give support to the tree or the plant. Now the upper part you can see the same. There is a lower part under the ground. Okay. So roots are also big. They are also huge, but sometimes they grow like this. Okay. Horizontally.
And root is plant support system.
Very nice. Very good. Very good. You are really such a brilliant student. Very nice. Now, this is all about today's lesson. Do you have any questions? Feel free to ask me.
No, teacher. Every question is
clear.
Okay. रेखा मॅम, काय प्रश्न आहेत? हॅलो, मुलांनी उत्तर पटापट दिली त्यामुळे वेळ